The crop is the pocket-like organ in the digestive system of chicken where the feed is stored for some time before being released into the gizzard for digestion. If the crop is infected or blocked, this causes what we call the sour crop. In today's video, I am going to discuss how to know if your chickens have sour crop. I will also explain the different causes of sour crop, and most importantly, I'm going to give you organic treatments to eliminate sour crop in your chicken. The easiest way to know if your chicken is suffering from sour crop is by massaging the crop. A sour crop usually feels squishy and appears swollen. Beside massaging, other signs that show that your chicken is suffering from sour crop is that your chicken will appear dull and depressed. Your chicken will also lack appetite, that is, it will be unable to eat. It will also lose weight, and if you bring the beak closer to the mouth and you massage the crop, you will be able to identify a bad smelly gas or breath that is coming out of the beak. Other illnesses that are closely related to the crop in chickens include impacted crop and pendulous crop. Impacted crop are usually swollen and hard, while the pendulous crop are usually distended, that is, they are usually sagging. The best time as a farmer to identify or to make a diagnosis if your chickens are suffering from the sour crop is in the morning. This is because over the night the feed should be digested, therefore leaving the crop empty and flat. But if in the morning you still see that your chicken have a swollen crop, then most probably the chicken is suffering from sour crop. If you are new to this channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever we post a new video. Also, make sure that you hit the like button because that is very good for the YouTube algorithm. Sour crop can be caused by many things, which include, number one, we have blocked crop. When the crop becomes blocked by, for example, foreign materials like plastics or strings, the crop is usually infected with a fungi called candida. This candida can cause sour crop. Number two is ingestion of foreign objects, for example, metal, plastics, or even strings. These foreign materials may damage the crop or cause blockage. Number three is severe worm infestation. Another thing that can cause sour crop is excessive use of antibiotics. This excessive use of antibiotics will kill the good bacteria in the crop, therefore causing the sour crop. Another thing is giving chicken rotten or moldy feeds. You have said that there is a fungi that can cause sour crop, and that is candida, and these moldy feeds usually contain these fungi, so you should avoid them to prevent sour crop in your chicken. Another thing is poor hygiene conditions, especially water and feed that is contaminated with feces. Another cause is stress. Stress also can be a cause of sour crops in chicken. And finally, another thing that can cause sour crop is poor diet. For example, a diet with lots of processed foods and or sugar. No matter the cause, the treatment for sour crop is the same. And number one is that you should isolate the sick bird. The sick birds. After isolating them, you are going to gently massage the crop of the sick birds to try and shift any blockages. Take caution that if you notice any liquid that overflows through the mouth or the beak, stop massaging because the fluid can get into the trachea, then into the lungs, causing aspiration pneumonia, which can cause death. Let us get into the most important part of this video, and I'm going to give you some of the organic treats that you can give your chicken so as to eliminate sour crop. Number one is the apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar has antifungal properties, therefore it will kill the candida that can be causing the sour crop. Number two is the olive oil. We are going to give a few drops of olive oil to the affected chicken and gently massage the crop. This will help to unblock any blockages, therefore allowing food to flow down into the gizzard for digestion. The other important organic treat is the tomato juice. You are going to give the affected chicken 1 to 2 ml of the tomato juice 2 2 or 3 times a day for 24 hours only. This tomato juice is acidic and it helps to restore the balance of good bacteria in the crop and also helps with digestion. The other organic treat that you can use is the Epsom salt. Epsom salt contains magnesium sulfate, which helps to detoxify the crop. Take 1 teaspoonful of the Epsom salt and add it into 1 cup of water. Then you're going to dissolve it properly. Then this solution, you're going to give it to your chickens 2 to 3 times a day for 2 or 3 days. If these treatments do not make any difference in the affected chicken, be sure to consult your veterinarian. Make sure that you hit the video on your screen right now so that you can be able to learn about this magic spray that helps to boost hatchability of eggs easy and fast.